For part of our next project, we're going to create a collaborative, which means that we're each going to create a small piece and put it together to make one big, amazing piece as a class. We're going to use the nautical flag worksheet that you guys are going to color in today as part of our next project in order to create our name on a popsicle stick. So you can start with a Sharpie, or probably you'll prefer to start with a pencil. We're going to divide up our popsicle sticks into the number of letters in your first name. So my first name has 4 letters in it. So I'm going to divide up my popsicle into 4 rectangle areas. Inside each one of these rectangles, I am going to create the nautical flag that spells the letter of my name. So I'm going to take a look at the sheet that we colored in, and I'm going to find the letters of my name. The first one is an E for mine. And I am going to divide up, just put a line there in the middle of my square or my rectangle shape to what the shape of the E is going to be, okay? And I go along to each letter. So the next rectangle is going to be the next letter's flag, and the next letter, and so on. Okay, so you can see the popsicle above is kind of completed. So I'm using pencil to finish these all up, and now I'm going to go over it with Sharpie just to make them stand out nice and bold. Now don't press for too long with your Sharpie because it'll kind of bleed into the wood of the popsicle stick. So make sure that you're kind of going quickly as you outline with your Sharpie, and you're making quicker movements so that your lines don't bleed. You can decide to fill in the ends of your popsicle sticks if you want, or you can leave them just tan, whatever you would like to do. So I'm going over each line that I did in pencil, okay? And then it'll be time to color. You can add color in corresponding with the color key for the nautical flags, and then you'll pretty much be all finished, except of course for one final step, which is making sure that on the back of your popsicle stick you have your name and your teacher code. So take a moment right now to flip it over and write your name and your teacher code. All right, everybody, ready, set, create. Remember to raise your hand if you have questions and work quietly. Thanks.